Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Tomlinson Modular 1003848. This is a plastic ice cream cone dispenser, and here is what it looks like. This is the entire unit. Well, this is the entire unit. Let's go over it. This is, first of all, a 1003848, or their SF1002 ice cream cone dispenser. Tough gray tint plastic tube. These Simply Flex, which is the SF part of the part number, prevent breakage, protect from contamination, and keep ice cream cones fresher with the Simply Flex cone dispensers for cake, waffle, and sugar cones. We'll go over that in a moment. Completely self-adjusting, ensuring one-at-a-time dispensing. Uses gasket 1905842, which is included. You're going to get one gasket with this. And that gasket, if you were to search for that, you can kind of see it there, the 1905842, that is going to work for cones with a lip diameter from 2 3/16 to 3 3/8. Okay. Now, there is certainly other units available for this. What you're going to see is the chart below this video. The 1002 model dispenser, which is what this is, will use the 1905842. Then shows you the cake, double, or waffle cone, that diameter that they are compatible with. If you need any help on, oh, my cup or my cone or whatever you're dispensing out of it, your drink glass isn't compatible, reach out. We'll help you determine the proper configuration of cup cone dispensers necessary. There's a link below this video to a document called Template, but it's also a link there is also a link to the installation instructions, and those are the same document. For medium to large cones, 2 3/16 to 3 3/8, we went over that. Dimensions, 31-inch in length and 4-inch diameter. I'm going to test that. I like to double check that stuff. It has an overall length of about 31 3/8 when the trim ring is installed, and we'll go over that in a moment. And I know that it has a 4-inch diameter because I had just previously mentioned or measured that. So 4-inch diameter. Okay. The dispenser is going to include, first of all, a mount package. You're going to get this compression style bracket, whether you're mounting it to a wall or maybe to a stand. And the stock generic image, just to clarify, shows 3 of these on a specific stand. These are sold as each. When you buy one, you're just buying one. You'll get a couple of screws for that mounting plate naturally. Okay. It's going to include the mounting assembly. It's going to include the lid, and this lid is available separately as well, which is a part number 1920710. Okay. It's going to include the trim ring, or clamp ring, I think they call it. And I'm going to give you that part number in a moment. And while I'm searching for the clamp ring, again, the 1905842, that's included as well. It's not unusual that you would want to order a couple of these additional. Not that you need to, and if you've gotten moderate volume, you know, I've had people, even in very, you know, a franchise pizza place, you know, where lots of kids go, that kind of application where there's tons of volume, even in those installations, it's not often to buy lots of gaskets. So the only purpose of buying an extra gasket or two is that your shipping, your freight charge really won't change, and that way at least you have it, because if you find out 6 months or maybe a month that someone unintentionally tore it, which never happens, but it could happen, or damaged it or lost it in a change, you might be better off just putting 1 or 2 on the shelf, so to speak. This clamp ring is the 1905837. The lid is available, the clamp ring is available, the gaskets are available, and that's really it. Now, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full line dispensing product catalog from Tomlinson and review all things modular dispensing system from Tomlinson. Their name in that industry is quite synonymous, along with other things like Glen Ray warming kettles that you'll see at a buffet. You're going to be able to view the cookware that they have, the high chairs that they sell, the oven material that they sell, convenience stores, gas stations, places like that. The Tomlinson product line is going to be seen all the time. If you have any questions on the Tomlinson, this is their part number 1003848, ice cream cone dispenser, or any other Tomlinson product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.